Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a messy braided bun in less than 3 minutes. To start, I'm going to divide off the crown area of the hair. Hold this in your hand at the back of the head and give it one full twist. Then to secure, I'm going to slip a couple of bobby pins through the centre of the twist. Crisscross your bobby pins for more security. Then gently pinch and pull at the hair for more volume and texture. Next, I'm going to take all the hair from the left hand side from the ear forwards. Then take the same size section on the right hand side and bring these together at the back of the head and secure them into a ponytail. Next, pop a couple of fingers behind the elastic band and pass your ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through to create a twist. Then gently pinch and pull each twist for more volume. With the remaining hair, just pop this into a 3-strand braid, securing it with an elastic band. And I'm going to add some texture powder all along my braid. I'll pop everything I use in the description below. Then, using your fingers, start pinching and pulling at the edge of the braid on the right hand side to make it more voluminous. And then repeat on the left hand side of the braid. Take hold of the braid and give it a few twists in one direction. And then we're going to take the tail ends and roll them up and then continue rolling it up the braid until it meets the head. Secure this all the way around the outside of that bun with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.